7 days low carb meal. Una po Monday, first meal, beef salpikaw, tapos meron po kasamang itlog. At second meal, sinigang na isda with boiled egg din. Tuesday, first meal, adobo sa asin at boiled egg po. Yan. And for second meal naman po ay tortang giniling with egg. For Wednesday, first meal, adobong pusit with boiled egg, pero isang pirasong itlog po ay natira. And second meal po nito ay keto charong bagnet for Wednesday. No MSG po yan, salt lang po at pork oil. Yan po yung from Grindahan. OMAD for Thursday, keto borham. So pag mag-OMAD, dapat siksik sa protina at fats. Yan po. Sarap nito po. Talagang busog na busog naman pag ganito karami. Ganyan po pagka OMAD. Sample meal. Then, Friday, first meal, chicken curry with boiled egg. And for second meal, inihaw na isda with paksiw na isda at 1 piece lang po nakain kong boiled egg. And Saturday, first meal, pork teriyaki with konti pang paksiw na isda at boiled egg. And second meal ng Saturday po ay lechon manok. Yan, marami na po akong recipe niyan. Pasyal na lang po sa aking profile. Then Sunday, first meal, gawa ko po ito, keto chicken tocino, no added sugar. And for the last meal ng Sunday ay daing na manok. Sorry naman. Nilagyan ko lang vinegar, garlic, and salt.